Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to solve a problem if you have some Wi-Fi problems on your iPod Touch. If you first go to this, I'll show you how to about, and this is your Wi-Fi address, your MAC address. So if you just remember this, now you gotta open an Internet Explorer page and type some letters in your router address. I'll type it in the description, so just read the description. And this will come, and you will type your username and password. So this will come, and you go to basic settings, and down here you'll see use this MAC address. It's right here. Now this Wi-Fi address, you gotta type in use this MAC address right here, and then press done and restart your router, and your iPod will work. And thanks for watching, guys. Leave a comment, ask me some questions if you don't understand, and rate, and remember to subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.